We live in an extraordinary time. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and at the heart of this revolution lies artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming the world around us, including the realm of UX/UI design. For designers like myself, this is an exciting era. AI is opening up new horizons, providing us with powerful tools and insights that were unimaginable just a few years ago. It's like having a secret weapon, a silent partner, that can help us create more intuitive, personalized, and engaging experiences for users. The integration of AI into UX/UI design is not about replacing designers, but about empowering them. It's about augmenting our capabilities, allowing us to focus on what we do best, understanding human needs and crafting elegant solutions that seamlessly blend form and function. AI, in its essence, is about enabling machines to mimic human intelligence. It's about teaching computers to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, much like we do. In the context of design, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of user data, identify trends, and provide valuable insights that would take human designers countless hours to uncover. This data-driven approach allows for a deeper understanding of user behavior, enabling us to create more effective and user-centric designs. Think of AI as a highly intuitive research assistant. It can sift through mountains of information, pinpoint key findings, and present them in a digestible format, allowing us to make informed design decisions. The impact of AI on UX/UI design is already being felt across various stages of the design process. From user research and prototyping to visual design and A/B testing, AI tools are streamlining workflows, automating repetitive tasks, and enhancing the overall design experience. AI-powered heat maps and clickstream analysis tools provide valuable insights into user behavior, allowing designers to understand how users interact with interfaces and identify areas for improvement. This data-driven approach ensures that design decisions are based on real user behavior, not just assumptions. Moreover, AI can personalize user experiences by analyzing user preferences and tailoring content, layouts, and even micro-interactions to individual needs. This level of personalization can significantly enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Section 4. AI-powered design arsenal, tools of the trade. A new generation of AI-powered design tools is emerging, each offering unique capabilities to empower designers. These tools range from AI-driven wireframing and prototyping software to platforms that automate design tasks and provide intelligent design suggestions. Tools like Chroma and ColorMind use AI to generate color palettes that are both aesthetically pleasing and accessible. These tools analyze images, websites, and even user preferences to suggest harmonious color combinations, taking the guesswork out of color selection. Other tools, such as Wizard and the Grid, leverage AI to transform static design mockups into functional prototypes and even generate website layouts based on user input. This accelerates the design process, allowing for rapid iteration and experimentation. Section 5. A symbiotic partnership, benefits for all. The integration of AI into UX/UI design yields a plethora of benefits for both designers and users. For designers, AI tools free up time from tedious tasks, allowing them to focus on the strategic and creative aspects of their work. By automating repetitive tasks, AI empowers designers to be more efficient and productive. For users, AI-powered designs result in more intuitive, personalized, and engaging experiences. From websites that adapt to individual preferences to mobile apps that anticipate user needs, AI is enhancing the way we interact with technology. Section 6. The road ahead, a glimpse into the future of design. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on UX/UI design will only become more profound. We can envision a future where AI seamlessly integrates into every facet of the design process, from ideation to implementation. Imagine AI tools that can generate personalized user interfaces in real time based on user data, or AI assistants that collaborate with designers, offering suggestions and feedback throughout the design process. The possibilities are truly limitless. However, it's essential to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and empathy. The future of design lies in a symbiotic partnership between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. By embracing AI and harnessing its potential, we can unlock new levels of creativity and innovation, ultimately shaping a future where technology seamlessly blends with our lives.